Lenovo Tab P11 is an Android pill aimed toward at-home households. Lenovo's press launch for the Tab P11 says it is a pill aimed toward at-home households, which, in a world the place getting out and about is trickier than earlier than, is a smart goal market. The replace to the Tab P10, the P11 mannequin follows the same plan. It has received an 11-inch display, now with a 2K decision, that is 2000 by 1200 pixels, and a middle-of-the-pack Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor at its core. Subscribe our channel for more video news. Keep in touch with us, like, comment and share our video. That selection of processor, which is an improve on the P10's use of SD450, ought to assist maintain the value level to a smart stage, without actually compromising on efficiency and battery potential. In a market dominated by Apple's iPad Very, that is a smart total characteristic set, because the Android pill market is not booming because it as soon as was. The Tab P11 stays comparatively reasonably priced, too, with a beginning worth of $229.99, making it even decreased priced than the earlier P10 mannequin. Along with touchscreen controls, the Tab P11 additionally affords stylus and keyboard management, so you possibly can, if shopping for these further equipment, the keyboard pack and precision pen too, flip it right into a mini PC sort of setup. However, we predict the important thing side of the Tab P11 is as an academic, leisure and informal gaming pill. Whether or not streaming Disney+, studying the digital paper, or taking part in some sweet crush, it is the sort of pill that can span the entire household. Moreover, with Children Area by Google, parental controls enable for lockdown for the Lillans as you deem match. Like, comment and share our videos to keep supporting us.